In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a form channel in HubSpot so that every form submission automatically creates a conversation inside your inbox. This is a powerful feature if you're managing customer support, sales inquiries, or lead follow-ups and want everything organized in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your form connected and ready to capture conversations seamlessly. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage all account configurations, including inbox channels and communication tools. After you're inside Settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find Inbox and Helpdesk, then click on Inboxes. This section is where you manage all of your connected communication channels, including email, chat, Facebook Messenger, and of course, forms. Now you'll need to decide whether you want to connect your form to an existing inbox or create a brand new one. If you already have an inbox set up for your team, simply click on that inbox to open it. If not, click on Create Inbox and follow the quick setup process to name it and assign team members. Once your inbox is ready, you can move on to connecting the form channel. Inside the inbox settings, click on Connect a Channel. HubSpot will show you a list of different channel types you can connect. From these options, choose Forms. This tells HubSpot that form submissions should automatically appear as conversations inside this inbox. Next, you'll be asked to pick a form from your existing form library. HubSpot will display all the forms you've already created in your account. Select the specific form you want to connect. This could be a contact form, demo request form, support request form, or any other type of form you're using on your website. After selecting the form, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see Conversation Assignment options. This is where you decide how incoming form submissions should be handled. To keep things efficient, choose Automatically Assign Conversations if you want HubSpot to route submissions to specific team members based on your assignment rules. This ensures no inquiry gets missed and your team can respond quickly. You can configure assignment rules based on availability, contact owner, or other criteria depending on your setup. Once you've configured the assignment settings the way you want them, click Save. That's it. Your form channel is now successfully connected to your HubSpot inbox. From this point forward, every time someone submits that form, it will automatically create a new conversation thread inside your inbox, making it easy for your team to track, manage, and respond. Connecting form channels is a simple but incredibly effective way to centralize communication inside HubSpot. Instead of checking email notifications or manually tracking submissions, everything flows directly into your Conversations workspace, keeping your process organized and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.